Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is March the 23rd on a Thursday, and we had a very ugly candle yesterday in the SPYs. The KRE seems to be kind of leading the SPY around on a leash lately. So keep an eye on the regional banks. That's the one that's kind of been the guiding hand of this market. So they need to stabilize, I think, for us to move higher. Q's different story. They're still above their key moving averages. A lot of strength in technology, so keep that in the back of your mind. And I want to point out overnight, the Hang Seng was up about 4.5%. So we're going to focus today. I've seen some really good China setups out there, and if you're not afraid to trade those, YumC is one I mentioned last night in a tweet, and boy, looks like it wants to break out, above this 23 level, which could be a massive move there in YumC. Uh, Another one is KC, uh, exhibiting a lot of strength over the last couple of weeks. Key level there is around the 565 level. Nowhere near all-time highs, but trying to dig itself out of a hole. But nonetheless, showing some relative strength the last couple of weeks. Uh, let's see, VIPS is one that if it can get above this 545 level, you can see there on the longer term chart, holding up very well in this VIPS. And DAO, let's see if I can find DAO in here. Let's see. Well, let me there it is. Uh, Another one that's displaying some nice strength there in DAO. So maybe just put you alert above this $9 level. Could be strong. One more, getting back ZIM, ZIM, and keep an eye above this 25 level. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.